All right, Saturday, hit the ground running. I had to coach my kid's soccer game this morning. And then as soon as I got finished, I got a call. It is 11 a.m. now, and I got to go help. I guess it's an elderly woman, no AC. So I'm headed there now, and conveniently, it's only like 10 minutes away. But I'm on call this weekend, so let's see what we get ourselves into. See you there. Hello, it's air conditioning.
Hey there. Come on in.
Hello.
Hey there. I was out there by the patio.
Yeah.
You doing all right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Hopefully I can make you guys do better. So it's just not cooling at all?
The fan seems to be running, but it won't cool below about 73 or something like that.
Alright, I will check it out.
An hour that I'm walking, so.
You had a lot of weird power issues. That solar flare or whatever came through.
We had northern lights back in Tennessee the other night. That happened.
Yeah, we had them here too. If you went out with. So usually on those, I will do a temp split, but the suction lines didn't seem very cold, and liquid lines seem pretty cold. Let's see if I can figure out how to get in here to these units. I think this is our unit. It's definitely seen better days. These are buckled, bowing, and falling off. Alright, so I'm gonna get over here, check the refrigerant. Alright, it is it's very low in refrigerant. I had to dig this side out, so I'll probably just so I can get my gauges on it. So I'm going to shut it off. We're going to do a leak check. But there's almost no sense of the conditions. It's a 2019. We're going to do a leak check. Alright, got the fan off. Waiting for this to set up. You can see the corrosion stuff forming already. And we're just going to check for a leak. I don't see any oil residue, but usually that corner is always the culprit. So, let's check for a leak. I was just down the street at my kid's soccer game.
Oh. Sorry, you have to work on a Saturday.
No, it's okay. I work around my time, so.
Okay. So is it the
It's low in refrigerant.
Okay.
So I'm just checking to see if there's a leak before I add any refrigerant for no reason.
Cool. Do you need to go inside?
Yeah, I've already been, and I'll be back in just a second.
Cool. I have them there on the sofa. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I already talked to him.
Okay.
Thank you. We are waiting on a call back. Talk to the property manager of the condition of this unit. It's probably best for a replacement. I couldn't find the leak due to how low the pressures are and how windy it is right here on the beach. So electronic leak detector wasn't finding it. And I'm just waiting for a call back for her to know if she wants me to add and get these guests going. Because right now it's not but like 75 degrees outside, so it's not bad. Or just go for the replacement. So just waiting for her to call back. Soap bottle broke, so I have a backup, so I'm switching it over. Always get a backup bottle just in case. All right, so she said we're gonna add refrigerant, get them cooling today, get them through the weekend since it's Saturday, and then try to readdress this Monday and get the system replaced and everything. So now I'm trying to call our comfort guy. I know he's off, just to see if he's near his phone, and if we can get this on his downtime. Get all the pictures and everything taken for him. But let's get some refrigerant added, and I'm going to go ahead and maybe we'll do a leak check, and just to be sure. But the conditions are pretty rough on these systems, so we're going to check everything out. All right, we are charging, and I just added some. Probably put about 3 pounds in. We're right now at decent pressure. It's 73 in there, so we'll probably get it a little higher. I'm just letting it settle before I add more. Defrosted the ice off. I double checked inside when it was in heat mode for a leak, and I couldn't find one. So now I'm just adding and calling it good. I'm pretty sure it's out here. There's a lot of corrosion and stuff going on out here, so I told her I recommend doing both inside and out, just due to the condition of the system, and we're going from there. We're right at, still going down and settling, but just need to add a little bit more and we'll be good to go. This is a pretty bad leak. You can literally watch this head pressure drop. I think they got a pretty bad leak. I think I'm going to do another leak check on this condenser. See what we got going on. I ain't finding a leak, but I know it's got one somewhere. Probably, I think it's in the evac coil. It's always nice to be on the beach here in Florida. That's the unit we're working on. Look at this giant train right next to it. This thing is this is a 3-ton train. This is a 3-ton. So the convenient thing is this call was just down the street from my kid's soccer game. So I was here in like 5 minutes, and it's not far from my house. So I I don't have a call yet after this, fingers crossed, but I'm sure I'll get one as soon as I pull into my driveway. But this call is done, a gas and go, and I got them cooling for the weekend, so we should be okay, and we're going to readdress on Monday, see if we can get an estimate and replacement here as soon as possible. But yep, that's that call. That's a typical weekend call really for me, is when those leaks and stuff come in, because these rental companies will only call when these guests aren't cooling. So we should be good to go. I'm trying not to hit this gate. Alright, so make sure you hit that thumbs up, like and subscribe, guys, and comment below on how you're liking the videos. If you want to see something on this downtime in the winter time, and you can go check out my other channel I got. It's fishing and hunting if you're interested in that. It's Outdoor Roads. And we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.